So I'll see myself. So you and I meet and you tell me everything there is to know about your business, and now we have to condense that into a watchable 2 to 3 minute video. How do we do that? So the big subject matter of your VBC is what you do, how you do it, and who you can help, and I'll break that down right now. I'll go slow. So prospective customers want to know who these people are, that's storytelling, why they do what they do, that's informational, how they do it, that's educational, not to be mistaken with informational, and I'll go over that later on in the video. And then you invite them in, that's your call to action. And when I go over the type of videos that you should post on a regular basis, they'll directly align with the content in your VBC. People never want to go to a business they know nothing about. Good videos create emotion that a print ad, or regular text, or just a random post of a picture just can't. This is a visual that demonstrates credibility for what you do, and just by this video existing, it creates awareness of you and your business, and the personal benefits of being your customer. In an age where video is the majority of the internet, sizzle videos, sizzle reels, just cool shot to shot videos of your businesses. Josh, you gotta give a heads up, or like a text heads up, bro. Sizzle reels and sizzle videos, just pop cuts of your business, isn't gonna do it anymore. And while your VBC continues to reel in new customers, you'll still need to continue to interact and engage online. So here's a few videos you should be requesting of your videographer if they already haven't been offered to you. And if it seems like a stretch financially to hire out a videographer or a video team to do ongoing content for you and ongoing videos for you, then I recommend discussing a long-term contract where you're guaranteeing the business. You can come to a 6-month, 1-year contract where they shoot X amount of videos for X amount of dollars. It's kind of like a subscription, a monthly subscription for that videographer or that video team to continuously create content for you. And like I said, that's guaranteed continued business, and they'd be willing to kind of meet you somewhere with the price and come to a deal that's fair for both of you. If you aren't in a place where you can afford a videographer at all, bear with me. I have a video coming up, the next video as a matter of fact, where I break down equipment you can buy to get you started for under $500. And I'll follow that video up with the type of computing power you may need to edit your videos if you don't already have an editing machine or a sufficient laptop or desktop. So here are the types of videos you should be kind of continually posting to keep your engagement up online and to get consistent customer or potential customer interaction. The first type of video, which I think is especially effective for new businesses or businesses that just don't have any video content out there yet, is storytelling videos. Do not do a sales pitch of your business on your page. I started my business because of XYZ. My business is a family legacy. I am the generation number 3 family owner of this business. I'm a clothing fanatic, so I take my time with my fabrics. I'm a wine connoisseur, so I put care into the wine selections I offer to you guys, that type of stuff. And you don't have to have a deep reason why you started your business. If you're just a cool person in general, sometimes that just works. It's enough to get a person in the door to try your tacos, try your coffee, try your candy, try your whatever. People like to relate to a story and relate to a brand. They like to see themselves in your brand. And if they don't worry, that just means that customer doesn't align with you. You want to get customers that align with your business and with you. That just makes for a better experience for everybody. And the core of marketing is storytelling. It's a narrative. Like me, I prefer Country Archer beef jerky just because I heard the guy's story on Andy Frisella's MFCEO project. And it's kind of unfortunate and fortunate where a lot of times branding over product quality. An example I'll use here is Dre Beats. There are better quality headphones out there, but Dre Beats took off with a vengeance because of their brand. When Dre Beats came out, the way they did their campaign, everyone wanted to wear that B on the side of their head. And when those started rolling out, the audiophiles were pissed. They knew Audio Technica had better headphones. They knew Sennheiser had better headphones. Dre Beats sold the average consumer on their brand. They had an awesome story, an awesome look. And if you have a great product plus great video marketing, you're a problem. And when I say you're a problem, I mean a problem for your competition. And whenever you start to drum up some business, pull some of your customers aside and get you some testimonial videos. Testimonial videos are the literal result of your service or your product or you. What better person than to get people come in your direction than the people you've already helped, the people you've already been a solution for? The next set of videos I believe you should be generating are entertaining educational videos. So with these videos, you're teaching people about your service or your product, And in turn, you're also waking that person up to the value of your service and your product. And let's say you run a restaurant. This is a chance for you to talk to customers about the different things that pair with other foods on the menu or pair with drinks on the menu. And a direct follow-up to educational videos are demonstration videos. This is really cool for those who sell products because you can both appeal to customers who already have your product and those who plan to potentially buy your product. Sometimes the instruction book isn't enough. They gotta go find the video real quick on how to use it. I am one of those guys, and I'm sure there's a lot more people like me who, before they make a purchase, I'll do it in the store, standing in the aisle. I'll watch a video of the product before I decide to throw it in my cart and go make a purchase. And some folks are just flat out discouraged about buying your product until they see it in use. And it is pivotal that you're hands-on in your demonstration videos. This is not your education video where you're just kind of talking about your product. This is you actually getting close-ups of the product in use. This is you showing them about how they can use your product, or you showing them about how you do your service. For someone who offers a service like a videographer, that would be, your demonstration videos would be more so behind the scenes and sharing with people the interactions you have with your client, how you collaborate with your clients. It's a way for people to see what goes on outside the frame of the camera. They make for very entertaining content. Need some smoothie. Shout out Tiffany Ward for my awesome tumbler. This is handmade. Like, this is dope. Like, look at the detail on that. But seriously, go on Facebook, look up Pink Barbie. That's Barbie with 2 eyes. She has like a whole library of tumblers, rolling trays, containers, masks. Go check her out. I'm probably hitting her up for a rolling tray next. And lastly, every so often, the same way I said people love behind the scenes, do some day in the life type of videos. If you like stock up on products, you're walking around your warehouse, just showing people what type of effort you do put into your business. And these type of videos, what they do is gain viewer respect. So yeah, just putting people in your shoes for a day also makes for some cool content. It tells a customer, hey, this person puts a real effort into running their business. I'm gonna go give their business the time of day. And then you follow that up. They walk in the door and you keep that customer with your awesome service or products. When that customer sees you in person, it kind of makes it cool for them that they've watched you go through the process. They watch you on the internet, go behind the scenes, share what goes into your business. And when you walk up to that person and greet them, if you're a restaurant manager, you walk up to them and greet them. That's pretty cool for the customer. And I guarantee you a good Yelp review if you do that. But that's all I have for you guys today. Stick around. Next weekend, I'll be posting what you can buy on a budget to get yourself started. If you can't exactly afford consistent work for a videographer, or a videographer just can't quite make it into the budget, you can still make something to get you started, to get you to that point where you can start factoring in video marketing to your budgets. Until next time.